Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I got my July Ipsy, and I love Ipsy. Who doesn't love Ipsy? I get the extra. So there is the original, which is the smallest that they do, and then the extra is the middle one. And then they do the ultimate every quarter, which I only just get the extra. Once in a great while, I'll get the ultimate. But it came in a bag this time. It's been coming in a box for me. And last month also, they started changing. Some are in bags, some are in boxes. This also was shipped to me through that GoFo, which is what Temu uses. And I've been getting a lot of things from GoFo here lately. So let's see what's in here. What does it say up there? Beauty is more fun here. So, and let's see what I got. When on the first of each month is when you choose your products for the extra bag or the extra package, and then you can do add-ons. So they have $3.50 add-ons, they have $6 add-ons. I think that goes to $12 and then $25 and $50 add-ons, and lots of different products. And but this is the bag. There are some things out of the bag and there are some things in the bag. So this is, I think this is super cute for summer. It looks just like summer to me. It has a little Ipsy tag there in blue that matches the strings. It's canvas. You know, it's just like a beach umbrella or something. I think it's really cute. So let's see what we got in here. Excuse me. Okay. I will start off telling, I have 6 products because y'all, in a previous, it was a couple months ago, I think, they gave me, I got to choose, and they gave me the wrong blush. So they gave me a $12 credit. Hey, Smudge. So this is what I got with my $12 credit. I'm going to show it to you now because it's also one of the choices that I could get. Smudge, if you're going to come over, you have to sit down, but don't sit down on my papers. So this is Tower 28. And look at that cute packaging, y'all. Their packaging is super cute. This is mascara. Smudge, where are you going? You can't sit in the camera. Sit, 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 sit down. This is the Make Waves Jet Black. It was a $12 add-on, but I got a $12 credit, so I got it for free. This is valued at $20. Now, usually something that's valued at $20, I don't know why they're charging $12 for it. Usually, you know, that's not a great bit of savings. So I'm surprised by that. But this says that it is safe for sensitive eyes, which I think is really nice, and it's volumizing. And yeah, the color is jet. And I'm going to open this because we're going to check it out. He sat down on everything that's important, so I can't get this. I don't have my implement that I use to open products. So anyway, this is what it looks like. And let's see what there, Tower 28. Let's see what the brush looks like, as I'm gonna put this right into my, what I'm using now. So that's a curved brush that's really nice. It's very fine, which is really nice. I like the little fine teeth on it. Hey, Smudge, you want to put some mascara on? You have beautiful eyes. You don't need any mascara. Anyway. That is what I got for free. So that is very nice. So with the extra, we get a little brochure, and it says Ipsy July, Passport to Play. And then in here is information about, there's some different things about bronzer. They're show you some items that might be coming up in the fall ultimates. And then on the back they have they have an edit. They always do an edit box every month, and the edit box for this month is Drunk Elephant. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm sorry, 5 products. I thought it was 6, but that's open. 5 products. And it sells for $74.99. Now that is an expensive edit box. Usually the edit boxes are like $55 to $65, and that's $75. So, but you know, things have gone up, I guess. And then there's a sneak peek for what's coming up in the next month. They show the August bag and then some of the items that are coming up. So there's a bit of information in there. Because there's so many choices, they don't give us a card of what the items are. So I usually make my notes so I'll know. And Smudge is sitting on my notes. So let me see if I can get them out. He doesn't like any disturbing. Okay, sit, sit, sit. Okay, so how it works is the extra is 5 full-size products. They choose 2 for you, and then you get to choose 3. So the first thing they chose for me is from, it's Allure Rose. It's gorgeous packaging. Look at how pretty that is, y'all, with the flowers around it. It is a liner, a felt tip liner. Okay, Smudge. Allure Rose. Welcome to, I don't know what that says. All right, Smudge, he's sitting on things. Move, 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 move. Maybe he'll stay, maybe he'll sit. It says, welcome to Pristine Beauty. It's an eyeliner in Nectar Noir, which is black, and it's very beautiful packaging. This is a $20 value. It's infused. He's knocking everything over. He can aggravate me a lot, y'all. No. It says it's infused with nourishing botanicals, and it's a felt tip liner. I have a lot of eyeliners going right now, so I don't know that I'll open it. I'm going to show you what it looks like, though, the component. It has a sticker on both ends that is sealed, so got that out of there. Okay, let's see what it looks like. I'm really impressed with the packaging, and this is what it looks like. All right, it's Laila. I can't see that on the box, but that's what it says right here. Layla Rose, and it's really nice. It's got a good weight to it. I like that. So I may end up keeping it, but at the moment I'm not going to open it because I have a couple of felt tip liners that I use already. So very beautiful. $20 value. The second item that they chose for me is this First Aid Beauty Repair Cream. First Aid Beauty is some great stuff, y'all, and they've recently changed their packaging, which their packaging was very plain. This is very plain still, but it's a little different. It's hard to tell, really hard to tell, but this looks almost a little bit, very, very like lilac, but it looks like it's white. I don't know. It's light colored. This is the Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration, Skin Protectant with Colloidal Oatmeal. So someone with eczema, that is what was recommended by my doctors way back. I mean, things have changed, but that was I used to have oatmeal products that I could bathe in and that type of thing. We're going to open it and see. Okay, it's sealed, so we'll leave it sealed for now. But it does say that it can treat eczema, so it's a good thing to have on hand if I have any trouble. I've been very blessed that I haven't had any eczema. I get it on my hands mostly. Sometimes I'll get it on my eyes, and sometimes a little on my legs and stuff, but I haven't had any in a while. So, but this says that it treats that. This is a $42 value, and the extra is $31.99 a month, and you pay $1.99 for the shipping and handling. So this, more than pays for the box, which is really great. So on my first choice, I could choose the Tower 28 mascara that I got for free. That's why I wanted to show it to you first. This was one of my choices. And also Verb brand, a body and hair fragrance. I almost got that. First Aid Beauty. It's a KP. That's for those bumps that you can get, like the chicken skinny kind of bumps. I don't have those. It's supposed to help with that. And people I know that have used it said it really works. So this was a body lotion, and it was it looked like a good sized bottle. Also Tower 28 had an SPF for your face, SPF 30 for your face in the Tower 28 brand, or the Dry Bar Detox shampoo. And I like dry shampoos. So this is a $30 value, and it's 3.8 ounces, 108 grams. It is coconut colada. That sounds good. Detox dry shampoo. Extend your blowout. So I do like this brand. I don't know if I've had the detox. I've had dry shampoos from Dry Bar. That's all I think I've ever had from them are dry shampoos, but I've had like a yellow can, I think it was. So I haven't tried this one. So it says super absorbent formula, eliminates excess oil and impurities, leaving hair looking and feeling clean and refreshed with extra volume and a matte finish. So that's what that says. Very pretty packaging there. That is 30 bucks. Okay. My second choice was I could choose Drunk Elephant bronzer. Y'all, I've got that a few times and it's not something that I ever will use. I've put it in different giveaways. I don't think I have any more of it. I think I've given it all away. But I think I got it twice and gave it away twice. Also, there was the brand Olivia Uma, a lip balm duo. They were little squeeze tubes with lip balms in them. So since there were two, there were either two flavors or two little colors, but you know, lip balms usually are just a light color. There was the brand Style Dry, a hair mask. And then there was two Huda Beauty products that were the same as, they were both blush. They're both blushes. I got one of those, of course. So in my first choice, I had 5 items I could choose from, which they haven't done that in a long time. And the second choice, I had 5 items I could choose from, except that in my opinion, is more like 4 because there were 2 blushes. There was this pink one, which I'll take it out of there and show you. Intense Cream, so Intense Guava, or Coco Loco, which was brown in color. And I have a Huda blush. Let me see if I can open this. It's sealed right here, so I'll open the bottom if I can get it open. Smudge is right here, so of course he's on absolutely everything. Everything that I need and use, he's on. All right, let's see. She's gorgeous. Look at how pretty that is, y'all. All right, so Intense Guava. I have this one, and this is bubblegum. There is the branding. I have it upside down. Oops. So I know it's great stuff. This is beautiful. This is, I'm not sure, I'm sure I got it in Ipsy. That's how you do it. And then what I do is I usually put like here, just a couple dots. And then I take a brush and rub it in. So that's how I put it on. A little bit left on the brush, put it in there. So it's absolutely gorgeous. This does look like the flesh of a guava. It's gorgeous. Beautiful color. That is a $25 value. And y'all, I really love Huda's products. It's called, in this blush filter. And then on my third choice, there were only 3 items to choose from. And there was Earth Harbor Retinol Cream. Now, y'all, I love Earth Harbor. Earth Harbor has great stuff. But in the extra bag, I much prefer makeup if I can get it. So I try to choose makeup. If I got Earth Harbor, I would have been fine. Because, you know, they chose for me, you know, the First Aid Beauty. Makeup and skincare is what Ipsy's about. This is true. But I'd like to get makeup in this box. So also retinol cream. I have had an allergic reaction to some retinol. So I try to stay away from that. Now, if they had chose that for me, I might have tried it. I might not have. But if I tried, you know, I would have tested it and it may be just fine. So it just, you know, it doesn't mean I'm allergic to all retinol. You know what I mean? And also my second choice was Saturday Skin Vitamin C and Water Serum. Saturday Skin products, in my opinion, are for younger skin than mine. Now, there are people my age that have oily skin. To me, it's for oily skin. Whenever you see water in a product, that isn't, it's not gonna necessarily harm my skin, but water is, if you put water on your face, it dries you. I don't like water-based products for my skin. My skin is normal. And I would say it can be a little dry up here and around here. But around my nose, it can be a little oily a little bit. I used to be very oily when I was younger. But I think my skin feels mostly normal. So whenever I see Saturday Skin, excellent product line, just not for me. So my other choice was a makeup product, although I'm not real fond of this brand, but this is Allure Cosmetics, and this is a palette. Look at how gorgeous this is. The packaging is gorgeous. It's Del Caribe, and I hope I'm saying that right. These are pressed pigments, $28 value. Let's see what she looks like. When I say that I'm not too impressed with Allure, a lot of times Allure would come in like Ice Cream Beauty, or we get it in the Ipsy Glam Bag. Those are lesser quality palettes, lesser quality makeup items, in my opinion. So, but this is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I just love that packaging. Here's the back with the colors, names on it. Pressed pigment palette. So, Princesa del Caribe. It has a nice magnet closure. It's really very beautiful. Very summery. This is what she looks like. These are all glitters up top there. Oh, they're stunning. And then the bottom, gorgeous. This is really gorgeous this is like an July, August palette, or you're going to the beach palette, you know. This one on the end here it says Senorita Sirena. It is, when you look right at it, I see gold, I see white, I see like an aqua, like an ocean color. And then when I'm showing it to you, it sort of changes up. I see some light blue, and see how it's gorgeous. It's a really pretty palette. It's just not my favorite brand, but it was between the other choices. This might have even been the least expensive item. But Earth Harbor Retinol, Saturday Skin Water Serum. So that's why I chose this. I just wish it was a better quality brand. So, and it may surprise me. I may love it. So that is my Ipsy Extra for July. We got the First Aid Beauty, and we got what else did they pick for me? This eyeliner, Layla Rose eyeliner. The Dry Bar Detox Dry Shampoo. The Huda Beauty, gorgeous Huda Beauty Guava Blush, and the very gorgeous palette, Allure Princesa. And then this super cute bag. Some people don't like the bag. I know, they can't please us every month. But I think this is super cute for summer because it's canvas. It reminds me of a beach umbrella. They have the Ipsy Glam Bag, was on the same design. They had I don't remember, I think it was yellow with this white or this cream. And then there was a special bag, like a mystery bag that was pink. And so super cute, I think, for summer. And that is it. So what do y'all think of my Ipsy Extra? Do you get Ipsy Extra? I do have a link below that I don't know what it'll get y'all, because people say they sign up under me, and I've never gotten anything. I'm supposed to get points. You're supposed to get points. It's never happened. So, but that's okay. Ipsy doesn't offer a lot of deals. Like like Allure, you can get a deal. Some of the others offer some great deals, like FABFITFUN and stuff, but Ipsy, I never really see any great deals. If you want to get it, you can save a little money by joining up, instead of by the month, by the quarter, or I think you can do 6 months and then you can do a year, which is what I do. It's like if you join up and pay for the year all at once, it's like you've paid for 11 of the boxes and you get one for free. So that's what I do. So y'all take care and count your blessings. Hope that you enjoy this, and y'all take care and have it. He makes me nervous, Smudge. He's right here laying on top of everything. So he's my boy. Love y'all. Take care and bye.